Step 8 of the Folding Stool video instructional series, Leg Layout. For this step, you'll need a sharp pencil, a square, a compass, and a ruler. We'll start with the holes. Refer to your design. All holes are centered on the piece. 2 holes in each leg must be drilled. One hole is placed 3/4 of an inch from the end, and the other hole is 7 5/8 of an inch from the first hole. For one each of your C leg pieces and one of your D leg pieces, use a ruler to measure 3/4 of an inch from the end and mark with a small thin mark. Mark 3/4 of an inch from the edge so that it crosses your first mark, making a plus sign. Circle the plus sign. Measure the second hole 7 5/8 of an inch from the first hole, and mark it. Mark it again 3/4 of an inch from the edge so that it crosses your first mark, making a plus sign. Circle the plus sign. Use the blue leg holes template to see that you've correctly laid out your holes. Now for the notch. Refer to your design for dimensions. Use your ruler to measure 2 7/16 of an inch in from the long edge of the chamfered end, and make a small thin mark. Then measure 1.5 inches from the first line and make another mark. Use your square to extend the lines to 1/2 inch. Then use a ruler to connect the 2 lines. Use the orange leg chamfer template to confirm that you've correctly laid out your notches. Now for the end radius. Set up the compass by placing one tip on the mark you made for the hole, and adjust it until the other tip is lined up with the end of the wood. Trace out a semicircle. Do this on both the C and the D piece.